In this RouteCAD video, I will show you how to check that a CAD CAM software is safe to use on your computer. This is true for a CAD CAM software or for any other software that you have downloaded from the internet. Now, the RouteCAD CAD CAM software can be downloaded from the internet, and it can also be ordered via CD. But some software manufacturers only allow their software to be downloaded from the internet. Now, it is quite important to make sure that a software or file that you have downloaded from the internet is safe and can be trusted before you start using it. And basically, this trust is in the hand of the software manufacturer. The software manufacturer must make sure that all the precautions are taken during the software development and the release, so on and so forth, to make sure that the product that they have made is safe to be used on any computer and does not contain any malicious code and will perform as advertised. Obviously, at RouteCAD CAD CAM software, we know that to be the case, but how do you know that yourself when you want to use our product? Well, we make sure that whatever we produce is of the highest quality and passes all the gate to make sure that the product that we have can be trusted. Now, let's see how we check that a file that has been downloaded from the internet can be trusted. Now, we have downloaded the RouteCAD CAD CAM software, and usually after it has been downloaded, it will be in the download folder. The very first thing that we would like to do on a file that we have downloaded from the internet is a virus scan. In this case, we have Norton. If you have McAfee, you can use McAfee. All you need to do before you install the software, you right-click on the software, and then you click on Scan or Scan Now, and Norton or McAfee or any other software that you have as antivirus will make a scan. And obviously, the RouteCAD CAD CAM software is safe and there are no issue and no malicious code has been found. This is the very first step. As I said, you should do that not only for a CAD CAM software, but for any software or file that you download from the internet. The second item that we need to check to make sure that our software is trustworthy is to check if the software actually has a digital signature. A software which has a digital signature ensures that we know exactly who is the software manufacturer and we can identify the person who has published the software. This is a very important security feature. Many software vendors out there do not include digital signature in their software, and this causes the user not knowing who is really in fact the manufacturer of that software. Because as a matter of fact, if the software does not have a digital signature, someone who is not have someone could produce a software. That software could have been taken by someone else, modified in a malicious way, and you get the malicious version and you are stuck with a huge problem on your hand. So the only way you can verify that the software is in fact from who it claims to be is to have a digital signature. To check if the software has a digital signature is quite easy. You right-click on the download that you have, in this case, install RouteCAD Deluxe Mill, And obviously, it's an application. This contains everything required to to install the software. It even have an uninstaller to uninstall the software if you, for example, you don't want that to have this product on your computer anymore. It has everything in that file. It's a self-extract. It's an executable. So all you need to do, you right-click on that file and you click on Properties, and you will see if the software has a digital signature. If the software has a digital signature, there will be a tab for digital signature. If the software has no digital signature, there will be no tab for digital signature. And the digital signature is something very, very trustworthy. Only verified software manufacturer produces software with digital signature, and RouteCAD is one of them. So you can see here the digital signature is from the manufacturer, RouteCAD, RouteBot, and this is the name of the business. And you can click the details and you get all the information about the digital signature, and you get the thing that says digital signature information. This digital signature is okay. Very important safety feature to ensure that the product that you are about to install on your machine is trustworthy and is coming from a genuine software manufacturer. The last item to check is to verify that this software was included in the whitelist program. The whitelist program is a program that was created by Symantec, the company who make the Norton antivirus. If a software has been whitelisted, this means that software has been submitted to the whitelist program to Symantec. Symantec has checked the software, has checked that there is no malicious code, has verified that it's coming from a trustworthy source, and then at the end, Symantec will include that software in the whitelist program. So basically, if a software is part of the whitelist program, is another indication that is a very safe product and trustworthy product. To check if a software is part of the whitelist program, if you have Norton installed on your machine, all you have to do is to right-click on the application that you're about to install. You go to Norton Security and you go to Norton File Insight, and you will see all the information about the software. When you have that File Insight, you get the software developer. This means that this software is part of the whitelist program. Now, we have seen 3 gates to ensure that the software is safe to use on your machine. The first gate was the virus scan to make sure there's no malicious code. The second gate is the digital signature to ensure that it's from a trustworthy source. And the third gate is the whitelist program to ensure that the software is part of the whitelist program. There are very few software manufacturers who passed all these gates. And if one of the gates is not passed, you need to be concerned. You need to be careful before you start using these files. Because if a file does not pass all the gates, there is no way for you to know exactly where is this file coming from, who created this file, who is the original manufacturer of the software. And if there is an issue, you will be stuck with it trying to figure out what to do, or it might cause a problem. But in the case of the RouteCAD CAD/CAM software, obviously we pass all the gate. We know on our end that we made an excellent product. We put a lot of effort to make sure that it's a great product doing what it's supposed to do as far as CAD/CAM packages, and also is very safe for your computer. But we also made an extra effort to make sure that when you use our product, you can trust this product. You not only us telling you that it is a trustworthy product, but you can verify it yourself, as I have shown you how to do. And you can use this knowledge for verifying files coming from other software manufacturers, other companies, making sure that whatever they have given you is trustworthy.